Hey guys, it's Dwight. How are you? Welcome back. So today I'm going to go very old school and I am going to do an original style MelyD dump and swirl. I came across MelyD about 2.5 years ago, and one of my first videos I saw of her was doing a dump and swirl with almost these exact same colors. So so we're going to do this and see how it goes. All we're using in the paints are just water to thin and a drizzle of luquitex pouring medium. There's no Floetrol, there's no GAC, there's nothing else in there. So what we're doing here is this is Artist Loft Acrylic Flow White. Okay, again, thinned down. I have to check my consistencies before I pour. May have to be a little bit thinner. And then I've been using these DecoArts colors. They do really well with this type of pour. So this is Desert Turquoise, and that's going to be our bottom color. And then we have this, which is Indian Turquoise, just a little bit lighter blue. And that'll go in the middle. Okay, that's good. And then this is, what is it? Winter Blue. I got some of it out. Some of it was thick in there, so I'm hoping it's not lumpy. I think it's thinned out pretty good. So let me show you real quick how thin these are. Let me get up and walk around here for you. Ooh, there we go. It basically goes right in. There's no real, there's no mounding, and it doesn't sink. Okay, that looks pretty good. And then on top of that, we throw down the black paint, and that is Artist Loft Acrylic Flow Black. Same thing, a drizzle of Liquitex pouring medium and mostly water. Again, checking my consistencies because it's really important to make sure they're all pretty much the same consistency, even the dump paint. So let me just add a little bit more water. So I think the reason it's called the dump and swirl pretty much is because you're pretty much dumping, you're not just pouring or throwing it down. And that's what we're going to do here in a minute. Hopefully I get it right the first time. Okay, let me just check my white. The other thing about these paints is you need to make sure that you have enough paint to cover the canvas. I think I'm pretty good. I need about, 20 ounces of paint to cover this canvas. This is a 20 by 24 canvas. And when I say 24 ounces, that might be a little more than I need. Let me check my chart. It's about 18 to 20, but I think, since it's the thicker edge, you want to make sure that you are getting your edges covered. Okay, so let me start by just pouring a little bit of, literally pouring a little bit of puddle. And then I'm going to throw down some of the Desert Turquoise, some more of the white, the Indian Turquoise, white, whoop, that was a lot, and then we'll top it off with the blue. Okay. So here comes the part that always makes me nervous, but we'll see how it goes today. As you can see, the paint's already reacting, which is pretty cool. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Look at all that. Told you. and dumping it off just to get over the edges. Not too thrilled about this edge down here, but I just wanted to show you how this works. You see how quick that reaction was. Now, I might have used too much color. I added that black to keep just a little bit of negative space because I'm pretty sure this is going to close up. Okay, guys, I'm actually kind of loving it. Okay, so I'm going to put this on time lapse, and we're just going to come back in a little bit and check it out. Well, guys, look at this. This is really cool. You know, it's not like some of my other dump and swirls where the cells are very well defined. The color worked out perfectly, I have to say. I was a little worried, but it really filled in nicely. I love the movement. I'll have a little bit of negative space, but not too much. And the color just took over. So let's move in a little bit just to take a look. Oops, let's see if I get, there we go. It looks like lacing, or it reminds me of, oh, what is that plant? Anyway, I can't think of it. It'll probably remind me. It's nice that the corners are already starting to dry. I poured a little black in the middle because I didn't want it to close up. I wanted to have some definition. Well, you know, overall, I think the composition is pretty good. I do like the way it looks. The color, again, looks so great with the black. So I'm very, very happy. Okay, guys, you guys take care, and we'll see you again soon.